Hi, Joe.
Hello, motherfucker.
Wala nakita. YouTube na pala. Amo na palang iba.
Hello,
Huwag
motherfucker.
kang assuming.
Basta famous na pala dito.
Liwat, liwat! Liwat, Kyle! He's so not famous. I mean, like, this guy is so not famous. That was in, like, grade...
Nyo, motherfuckers. Sige.
Puno-puno ka! Okay. Ew, that's gross! Gross as heck. Hi, Sim!
Hello, motherfucker.
I can't get... Yeah! Sorry, you Frank.
May mga sabay, bakit ako?
Oh my God! Kayan!
Bole na to!
Manong, si Kylo? Kita ka na? Manong, napangaboy siya sa Chucky, Manong.
Agas siya lang ngayon.
Luway na sa?
Upot ka lang. Lakat ang upot siya balay.
Si Trisha, Manong yan!
Siya makapan. Lakat talaga ta. Upot na lang sa siya balay.
Ayo. He's in my video again. He's so cute. And he finished my lip tint.
There's everything area na itong bamboo. What? Chocolate.
The fuck? Baka wala lang talaga. Your hair, girl. Kyle left her there. Wait. Hi, Joe.
Rock and roll, motherfucker.
You're like a girl who's like a girl.
Motherfucker.